Welcome back to the Easy Finance channel. Today we are speaking about the accounting equation. So, what is the accounting equation? The accounting equation is the foundation of all double entry bookkeeping. It shows the relationship between companies' assets, liabilities, and the equity. The basic formula of the equation is assets equal liabilities plus equity. In other words, everything the company owns is financed either by what it owes or by the money invested by the owners. So let's break it down. Assets are things the company owns, for example, cash, inventory. Liabilities are what the company owes, loans, accounts payable, debt from the bank. And the equity is the owner's claim, so the money invested and retained earnings. Every financial transaction affects this equation. For example, if a company takes out a loan, both assets and liabilities increase. If it earns profit, equity increases. The equation must always stay balanced. If it doesn't, there's an error in the bookkeeping. So, let's dive into an example to understand it better. We open a coffee shop and get 15,000 worth of stuff: machines, furniture, coffee beans, and cash in the bank. That's our assets, 15,000. But we didn't pay all of that ourselves. We borrowed 10,000 euros from the bank. That is our liability. And we put in 5,000 euros of our own money. That's our equity. So the equation looks like 15,000 of assets equals 10,000 of liabilities plus 5,000 of equity. It's perfectly balanced, just like every business must be. So now I have a short quiz for you to solve in the comments. A company owns assets worth 10 million. 40% of the assets is owned by the company. The rest is financed with loans from the bank. What are the values for equity and liabilities? Answer in the comments and maybe you can find the right answer. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you understanding the principles about the accounting equation. Make sure to follow this channel to be up to date with all videos about finance and accounting, statistics, economics, or mathematics.